Alright, welcome back. We are back from our hiatus of our weekend at Wiscodales. But yeah, we are at Lake McCarran's, or however you say it. We're doing a fishing challenge again. I'm gonna be doing 2 baits since I'm 2-0. I get to choose 1 bait. My brother-in-law gets to choose the other bait of choice. And yeah, do you have anything to say about this challenge?
Nah, let's get fishing.
Alright, let's go, guys. GoPro is getting too hot and now I got a fish. Guys, I got a freaking nasty pike.
It's trolling.
I was on the bottom.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Nasty bugger. Ow! Ah, it's gonna hook me, it's gonna hook me, it's gonna hook me. Oh my goodness. Stop. Let me help you, bro.
Oh. Pike.
Little pikey pike boy.
Pikey, pikey.
Get out of my boat. I don't know, I was just regular reeling and then I felt tension, so I just hooked it. Ah, glad the camera was off too. That's the fish I was looking at. It swam off on my bait.
Oh, it just saw me. I gotta be like right up against the live scope.
Yeah, I know. There you are.
Oh, am I here? I see me. I'm dropping down. Yeah, I'm right there. See me jigging up and down.
Yeah, see me? Fish guy didn't look at yours. There's a fish on yours. Oh no, wait. Oh, turning. It's swimming towards this way. I don't know what that is though. It came up and bit it. I don't know what that is. It's chasing my bait though. You see that, right?
Yeah.
See it chasing my bait? What is that? What is that? Whatever it is. Oh my God!
Alright, we're going over here.
Ready?
Oh, pike fish. Oh, then
came off. Let's go, baby!
Another pike fish.
Thank you.
Hey, that was cool. That was really cool. What's up? Oh. Ink.
Another one of these slimy guys. That was cool. What the hell happened on live scope?
Yeah.
Oh, are we just gonna?
I caught my muskie.
Are we just gonna drift now?
Trying to get read by the live scope.
I need to get deeper. Is that me or is that you? That's me.
I just got bit somewhere. I don't know where I'm at.
If I catch 5 pike, that means you gotta jump in the water.
I don't know where the hell I'm at though.
Indeed, it's hot. There's another pike right there. Oh my God, that's a lot of pike. Some big carp in here, dude. I think it's carp.
Big one.
Another one.
Another net job. Oh, I missed him. Yeah, I got it.
What the heck, man?
Pikey, schmikeys.
Ow. Hey, stop. I'm trying to help you. He's in my boat. He's in my boat. He's in my boat. Come here, bro. Going to?
I got a bass.
You got a bass? Oh.
I got a bass. Hey, my first Sakamata bass.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, is that the other color?
Yeah. Ooh. Every time I stand up, I get lightheaded.
Why'd you stand up then? Nice.
Good jumper, hi.
Oh no, you're beating me.
Oh no.
I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. That's fish number 3. Is that a smallie?
No, it's a largemouth.
Oh. Yeah, what are smallies in this lake at?
No, the largie. Bye bye. Got him. Oh my god.
I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a largemouth. Hello, Mr. Largemouth. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Yeah. The first fishy. The first bass after my hiatus. So nice. Kiss the camera.
First bass from a hiatus. Shit.
I kind of ruined my thing, but is it still maturing? Yep, we good. We chilling. Hiya.
Online.
Where am I? Come on. Come on. I gotta get stuck on the rocks.
Another.
Ooh, nice one.
Need net for this one?
Nah. Nah. Ah. Ah.
2 pounders.
Since swallowed it. Ow. Nope, I gotcha. Alright, fish number 2. Let's go.
Nice.
I think. Yeah.
I need a new bait.
Bye.
You caught them on the depths. I'm catching them on the zoom, actually.
They must be really shallow. Cause that's where I caught him. I caught him way up there.
The big one?
Yeah.
Really shallow up against that shade.
Yes, sir.
Fuck. We got our fish. Now let's get the fuck out of here.
Who lose the challenge though?
You.
I did? Okay. All
You
right.
want to jump in the water?
Yeah.
It's a bass.
Yeah. Before we're gonna go too.
I know. Oh, nice 2 pounder. Both of them.
Nope. Not yet. He's not ready yet. Are you done fighting?
Nope.
Are you done fighting yet?
What a skip.
Are you done? Okay, he's done. Bam, baby. Another one back up in the shallows. Is this the same fish? This is the same fish.
What are you talking about?
Dude, because of the blood on the fish. This is the same fish.
2 pounder.
What the hell?
Technically.
Dude, that's hilarious. Wait, where did my bait go? My bait's gone. What the
You
hell?
must have took it off.
Yeah, I take my loss. All right, let me. All right, guys, since I have lost, I will be jumping in the water. So yeah, let's, I guess, jump in the water. It's so hot out here. It's gonna feel so good and refreshing. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys when I come out of the water.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Woo!
Oh, felt good?
Feel good, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Woo! How was your win today?
Hot, but excellent.
So yeah, we are all finished. It's super bright, guys. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that whatever button I forgot. You know, just hit all the buttons so you get all notifications. But yeah, we'll see you in the next challenge, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Peace, y'all. See you guys in the next adventure.